Good morning, everyone. We're back here with match number 27 playing between Kevin 11 and KCC Royals. Interesting, they've got nothing to lose. You've heard about Kevin 11, they are the undefeated playing 11 going with the undefeated streak. Intriguing how one champion management has come up with the new wicket. It'll be interesting to watch how this match will proceed. And we've got the official for the day, ST Ram, who is having the coin and will give it to the captain, who shall spin it for toss.
Heads.
Heads is the call. Heads it is.
Will bat.
So that's the call from Kevin 11. They've elected to bat first. Straight go to the captain, Indrajit. Interesting overcast conditions and the new wicket. How do you think?
For me, new wicket. I think will make most out of the new surface. We have got nothing to lose right now, so we'll try to have fun this match.
How good will it be if you can, seal this match with a victory as well? It will be just like a garnish for you.
Yeah, victory. Winning is our first preference anyway, but we'll look to have fun with it. So yeah.
Any changes in your squad?
I came in the place of Ram Patil. That's it. That's all.
Only one change.
Yeah.
And let's go straight ahead to the captain who's standing, who's lost the toss. You've played 3 matches until now.
Yeah.
2 lost and 1 win for you. This is the new wicket, and you've got the conditions which are overcast, which will favor the fast bowler if you are having. But nevertheless, if the weather changes, you never know what the new surface has gotten for us. So what do you say on the call?
So we do have a good pitch today with new pitch, with new bowlers. I think our bowlers bowl well. I will try to target up 200 at least for Kevin 11 for us. So it's a good game overall with Kevin Bhai and all. So let's see. Both are the friends and everyone is a friends from Kevin 11 team. So we have most fun today.
And with this, you are still in the fighting stage where you can, come up to the 3rd position if you manage to bag up 2 games from here, and you are still with the running part. How do you think? And you've got any changes for today then?
Yeah, there are some changes in our team today. So we'll try to bowl well and at least we'll stop the target. So we do have a good batsmen in our team today. So 100% there are chances to win game for us. So apart from this, Kevin team is very good. So we'll try to fight with them today.
Thank you. And this is it from the center where you've heard it from both the captains. Interesting game coming up. Don't leave your seats. And this is what happened from the center is Kevin 11 won the toss and elected to bat first. Bowler. Bounce and cut away. Strong. Early in the morning. That is what not you've wanted for. Shot again. Will he get the same result? Fielder chasing. Yes, he'll get the same result. Half tracker. Well, I wanted to have the maximum, but we'll get only 1. Again, Skydive. This is what, and he's the partnership breaker. He's on your screen. His head hard, and finally. And he's evicted. The non-striker is more baffled than the striker. What is happening? Again, straight over the top. Where will it be? It'll be to the boundary. And a back. Nobody has to move. Save your energy. And a hard hit will reach the boundary. Save your legs for a continues. And he'll not be bothered about his wicket on this ball. And a whack. The fielder watching the ball will be a spectator. Free hit optimally utilized again. He's played it inside out. The fielder will be running and running. A hard slam where to the boundary again. Going straight to the direction. Catch is the call. He'll catch when the ball's landed. Mayank. Easy. Easy. He's launched that. It sounded like a 19 balls and 48. Nothing going wrong. Shiva's decided to hit, and the fielders also decided to give away the runs to Shiva, trying to hit the maximum. And it's bowled him. Cleaned up. The party is over. The party didn't last long for Shiva. And flicked off the pads. He'll have to run a lot to save that. Will he? Will he? And will be a boundary. The bowler Nick, and yes, finally gets it. Very crafty as we are talking about Pawan. Balaji will be caustic for the bowling team. Down on one knee. Where is it? Straight. Get it from the other planet, please. And flicked. Nobody's standing there. So he'll get a boundary. And he slapped it away. Running straight will be a boundary. What a run flow. Catches the call and he'll take it finally. Why didn't you get this match? Sits down, catches the call. He is. And very well collected. You should be running and celebrate. 189. Straight away, carry and bounce. Straight to the wicket keeper. Royals, when they will have to expose the middle order. And played well. Elegant cover drive. He didn't coming around. Will be a factor, and he's beaten the fielder. He's tried hard. And the ball will run away for 4. Just keeping it straight to wickets. Again, and given. He gets the desired result. Slice hard. Very well. Timing with boundaries. How rude is that? And Nick flying. I thought for a minute. Charges the call, ball dangling, and brilliant piece of comfort. Again across. He hops. He hops to his man. He's cut the ball and will run away to the boundary. Who's usually who's seen in the shoes of fast bowling. And he's cleaned him up. And swept. Swept well. Very well. He is a player from every team as Shiva Gundra. No doubt about it. Heaved away. Where has it landed? Where? Out of his hands. Popped everything. Moves across and swings. Is what you put in with the losing and the winning part and the runs. Runs you score. And picked in the gap. Yes, no. Japalana. This is the last game, and what is it in your head exactly? Because you didn't click in the 4 matches, and how is it going to be? Any change of strategies?
I think, as I said, I've been saying actually that the batting has to click. I mean, bowling, we are.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 27 played between KCC Royals versus Kevin 11. And firstly, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Hell Rockers, R11, MSR Table Services, Foursquare Sports Shop, and RR Stones. Let's get a quick recap of what had happened in the match where the Kevin 11 were playing with 4-0, with having 4 wins in the bag, and they definitely packed this up as well as the undisputed part, and their reign continues to have them over. And being all dominant, they elected to bat first, scoring 188 runs on the fall of 8 wickets. They have exposed the lower order but managed to get the feisty run on the board. Having 189 on board for KCC Royals to defend, they fail KCC Royals and they are being dusted with lack of 54 runs, having Kevin 11 win by 54 runs. And the man of the match who's standing with me, Prashant, who's contributed with the 20 runs of 12 balls and who's bowled 1 over, conceding 6 runs and taking 2 wickets. Let's go straight to the captain and let's discuss an overview and analysis of the game, what had happened. And I call upon the captain of KCC Royals first. Unfortunate remarks for you.
Yeah, we have played very well. Kevin by and Andy. We have celebrated the game. We did a lot of fun. Good. bowls like good face bowler. Good overall good match today.
And definitely,
Like the fun aspect what you talk about, but as a captain, wouldn't be a matter of worry for you having the 3 matches that you've lost and only 1 win in your bag?
We don't have any worries. It's a cricket, you know. If you have a good bat lineup, good bowling lineup, it depends. It depends how the match goes. So like I didn't feel, any pathetic or anything else regarding this match. Every time we played for fun, not for match. You know, most of the youngsters have played in our team like Randir, Gurucharan. They will get the chance in future. They will play a big game if they play like this, like corporate cricket.
And definitely the spirit what you're talking about is required by every sports player like you build upon. And Ranadhir, what a character and what a player he is add to your team. He is very young, there's no age margin that what your team and what this one champion believes in. How well has he bowled? Bowling 4 overs and taking 3 wickets by just 12 runs.
Yeah, last time we played with R11. On that day only I saw him, his confidence. He doesn't fear. He has a good game, good competitor. He doesn't fear if you hit 6, hit 4, then he will tell, I will bowl the next ball. Like that type of, enthusiastic he's having.
And thank you, and the amount of encouragement you're doing to your players is much more appreciated and commendable. And let's go straight to the captain who's standing, and we'll not keep him stand because he's won 5 matches. Kevin, who's the captain, I call him upon to have a word with him. Congratulations, the undefeated reign of Kevin 11 still continues, and again comfortable you are. I mean, you cannot shoot up from top position, that is the highest rank you can get.
Yeah, so first of all, really yeah. So first of all, it's a good season for us. I would say like 5 out of 5 is something that I would really it keeps me happy. And boys have really put up their best in all the matches. Where I would say like it's well satisfied season for this season 9. Compared to the previous seasons. And let's see what we have for the knockouts, and we'll try and put our best, and rest depends on that day, particular day, like what we have with us on the field. So yeah, on a bright note, we are just waiting for that knockout day.
And having a league match is coming to an end. How has it been so far with one champion? Because 2 matches, a knockout, that will be going to one. If you clear that, you'll be straight into the final, because it will be very crucial. As you pack your league game, I'd want to ask, how has it been with the management? And what specifically would you like to expect much more from the cricket and the quality of cricket they are providing with?
See, one thing about the one champion is like, so far I've been playing from last 3 to 4 years of the corporate game. Out of all like the tournaments that I've been part of in the city, one champion is one of the quality tournaments that I've been participated. So that's the reason why like I always think twice to think about the other tournaments happening. So I think this is like around 6 seasons that we've been participated. So that says like how quality they're delivering and how satisfied we as a team. So obviously Mahendra is delivering definitely a great top-notch job. So I wish him all the good luck for upcoming seasons as well. And coming to the knockout, see, we really didn't think much. We are taking 1 game at a time. Let's see what we have on knockout day. Like as I mentioned, let's not think much because it's just a T20 game. Like we always think like if Saturday goes, we look after Sunday. If Sunday goes again, we look after Saturday. So that is what. So as far as I concern, it's always a game that of 3 hours. So whoever holds their nerve and put up their best show, they'll be on the right side.
And to call the man who's waiting, the man of the match, Prashant, who's bowled 1 over, took 2 wickets. I call him upon for the man of the match with the captain Khaja to felicitate him with the M1. And his captain, if we can get along in the frame. And before Prashant leaves, one or two quick questions. About your performance, this was the last game. Any pressure on you to continue the winning part?
There is nothing pressure on me. Just want to score quick runs as quick as I can. That's what I did.
And how about your feisty and fiery knock in the end?
It's happy to see that myself is scoring.
And all-round performance, and I really appreciate your time for having with us in the post-match presentation ceremony. I wish all the luck for you in the knockouts. Thank you. This is it, much appreciated, and let's go straight to the live action.